In this example, we have an ellipse that's not centered at the origin. The center here is 3, -2, and we would like to graph this. So let's go ahead first and draw our coordinate system, and let's put the center on there at 3, -2. So let's suppose our center is right there. Now, the way I like to do these is to look under the x's, and under the x's, if we take the square root of the denominator, we get a 2. And that tells us how far horizontally to move from our center. If we look under the y's, we have a 16. The square root of 16 is 4. That tells us how far to move vertically from the center. So those give us our major and minor vertices. And then we connect the dots. And that's our ellipse. Now, the next step is to find the foci. The foci are going to be on this vertical axis. We have a major axis that's vertical because the larger denominator is under the y's. So that means the foci will be on that line. To find the foci, we have to discover what little c is equal to. And for an ellipse, we find little c by setting c squared equal to the big denominator minus the small denominator, which is 12. We take the square root, the positive square root, since c is a positive number, it's measuring a distance from the center, and that will be 2√3. And we can think of that as some number between 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, so it's somewhere up there, somewhere down there. Those are our two foci. So that's an ellipse centered not at the origin, and it's got a vertical major axis with those two foci. If we wanted the coordinates of those foci, we would say that the coordinates are 0, ± 2√3. Kaboom.